This is a simple tutorial on how to operate a multicolor LED with an Arduino and a breadboard. Before you begin, you'll need the following supplies. 4 wires, one Arduino with the USB connector, one breadboard of any size, and one multicolor LED. Before you go any further, there are some basic things that you should know, like what's an Arduino and how it works. An Arduino is an open source electronics platform based on easy-to-use hardware and software. Arduinos are able to give specific outputs based on specific inputs. This will allow you to create things such as flashing lights, fading lights, and plain solid lights. Typically when using an Arduino, you wire it up through a breadboard. A breadboard is a board used for making an experimental model of an electric circuit. It uses this to organize your circuit and keep it tidy. Now that you know some basics, here's how you wire up your Arduino. You start by plugging in the black wire into the ground pin. Then you take the red wire and plug that one into pin number 11. You want to go ahead and take your green wire and then plug it into pin number 10, and then take your blue wire and plug that into pin number 9. Now you're going to plug the LED into the breadboard. For doing so, make sure that the leftmost wire is the red anode. Alright, now you're going to plug in the ground wire. So plugging ground into the second from the left, as shown, this is the ground cathode. Then take your red wire, plug it into the red anode, or the most left, the green one right after the black one, and the blue wire after the green one. Now that you've finished wiring your Arduino up, it's time to code it and tell it what to do. Start by copying this code into your Arduino. You finished wiring up your Arduino and putting the code in, and it works. Do you know why it works? Here's why it works. Pin 11 is given the variable red pin, pin 10 is given the variable green pin, and pin 9 is given the variable blue pin. Down here in the setup area, all these pins were set as outputs. Down here in the set color, the variable red will be set to whatever this number is, the variable green will be set to whatever this number is, and the variable blue will be set to whatever this number is. Down here in the analog right area is the variable red pin, or this one up here, will be given the power of whatever the variable red is, or this variable right here. The same goes for the green and blue pin. So what this means is the color of the LED will change, or the power to each anode will be changed based on whatever numbers are in these 3 slots. So right here is red, right here is green, and right here is blue. Well, feel free to edit the code to your own liking. Like, for example, if you want, you can make the lights flash twice as fast, or you can make them go twice as slow. Anyway, that is how you code an Arduino to do things such as flashing it, and that's also how you wire it up.